got NMIXX TIC TIC featuring Pabllo Vittar. It's a great collab. I've been loving the collab with Pabllo and NMIXX. I think they're freaking dope. It brings you to a different world, and it like combines two genres together. And I think they blend very well. I saw the videos of them at like the Carnival. So iconic. I mean, the outfits were amazing. Like the festival itself is amazing. And I'm excited for this one too as well. So without further ado, let's check out NMIXX TIC TIC featuring Pabllo Vittar. Hopefully I'm saying their name right. Also, be sure to check out the Patreon. I've been reacting to Singles Inferno. I didn't do first listens over there. I have to continue Show Me the Money. I feel like I've been slacking on Show Me the Money. 12. I think it's 12. Oh, is she like a giant?
So to say, tick, 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 tick. So to say, tick, 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 tick.
Ooh, serving. Sonic. I've never looked at the lyrics actually. Oh my god, my bias is haywire. Like for real. Like I even have a soundbite of where is it? You know what I'm saying? Ooh, oh, serving. Ooh, oh, they serving. Ooh, oh, the eye patch. Talk about it. Talk about it. Ooh, they are serving for real, dog. Hey. I feel like these collabs are iconic, bro. Dang. She's serving. Oh, I love her tattoos. Ooh, she is serving. Ooh. Ooh. Everything is typing and I'm never offbeat, witty and funny. Ha ha. Never stop. Okay, Portuguese. Brasil. Ooh, oh, she getting bigger. She getting big. Tick, 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 tick. Is this all filmed in Brazil or is it in Seoul? Maybe a mix of both? What? How'd they do that? I love that she dances with them. I mean, like, obviously there's other like collaborations that people they dance with the members, but this is dope. It's like a collab, like dance collab, song collab. Hey Juan, oh, my queen. Sorry. Oh, step on me, Pabllo. Ooh, they're so tall. Ooh. Ah, bro, this song is so damn. Look at the boots too, by the way. This song is so fun that it just passed by so quick. It's only 2 minutes. It's less than like 2 minutes. 2 minutes 30 less than 30. Oh, okay. Oh, serve it. I like that. NMIXX, Pabllo Vittar, TIC TIC. 10 out of 10. Such a fun song, such a great collaboration. One of my favorite collaborations ever since the beginning when they first did their first collaboration. I'm glad they're continuing this relationship, and I think I would love to have more. I don't know, maybe I'm wishing more. I think an album is too much, but you never know. I would love it. I love to see more. All right, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of NMIXX, TIC TIC, and Pabllo Vittar. Let me know who your bias from NMIXX is. Again, mine is Haywan. I like all of them personally, and I got to work with them when they were a lot younger, like their rookie debut. They were so sweet, and I realized how young they were. They've grown. I feel like a big bro just watching they like sis in the industry, like, oh girl, you doing your best. It's good. I love that they developed their sound and they're even more like they weren't like not confident in the beginning, but they found their sound even more and they're experimenting more. And I love seeing NMIXX shine, and it's good to see. And they're great live, by the way. I got to see them at Wango Tango in Cali. But yeah, that's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out the Patreon, link in the description. It is free to follow, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.